We're going to get by them, and then I will talk to you about them. Maybe. Okay. What are you guys doing? Now they start shedding their antlers in mid-March. They start growing back immediately. Fastest growing bone known to man. It grows 1 to 2 inches per day. Now that bone is covered in veins that's bringing up the nutrition to those bones that's covered in a velvet. They will shed that velvet at the beginning of their rut. Guys, just hang tight. It's like a snake shedding its skin. That velvet will come down to the base of that antler where it will hang dry and fall off. It only takes 1 to 2 days for that whole process to happen. Now, I always thought that they rubbed that velvet off. They do not rub until the velvet is off. That's when they start rubbing to sharpen those antlers, because remember, that's their defense mechanism.